I wonder if I have any wire caps. Or wire nuts, I should probably say. I don't know if I have any wire nuts, but let's see here. It looks a little bit big. I might have to go get some wire nuts. Yeah, I might have to go get some wire nuts real quick. I don't know why my video is not recording the full length. We're still recording? I guess we are. This back a little bit. The camera's up a little bit so I can before. I'll be right back. I'm going to do like a little bit. I have to go get some yellow wire nuts. I'll be right back. I think. No, wait, never mind. I think I might. Well, first, hold on, wait, I found some wire nuts in here. Ah, shit. Shit! God damn it, Mother Nature. God, I hate Mother Nature. Man, it's blowing hard out there. First, I'm gonna see if these ones will fit underneath there. And it seems like they do. So, okay. I don't know if this is the right size, but it seems to work okay. So I'm just going to use that for now. Now, what gauge is the wire? Let's see what it says on here. That's 12. So that's one of my other ones because these ones are kind of dull. These ones are kind of dull, but it does the job. Squeeze them hard enough. You see, when my hands get cold, it's hard for me to squeeze things. But it's with anybody though, because the human body, your muscles tighten up when in cold weather. That's supposed to happen. I think that'll be long enough. Well, this should be long enough. So there we go. Now we have those capped off. You can just cut those away. Sorry. This thing doesn't really look that hard to wire up, really. The guy told me from Granger on the phone, he showed me he emailed me the wire in the room. He said, look, no, it's going to be real easy to wire up. It's not too hard. It shouldn't be too hard. It's really simple. So, now remember how I said that there's 6 wires? No, there's only 3 wires for this, so that's half of what we got. But that's not a problem. Now, the reason why I'm saying that is because the yellow wire, we have 2 of the yellow wires, alright? You use 1 wire for both those yellow wires, alright? That's what you do with those. You do with this one. And then you use the other red wire for the two red wires up there. Alright? And then use the other red wire. You use the 1 red wire for the 2 red wires up there, and you use the other red wire for the 2 blue ones up there, alright? Now, I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure, I'm about, I want to say 80% positive that that's how it is, but 20% not positive, you know. So, I mean, I'm not sure if that's right, but I'm gonna try it, see what happens, and hopefully it'll work. So, yeah, I hope it works. Now let's see. Oh boy, I might need a nut driver. I might need a nut driver. Sort of. I don't know if it's a 1/4 inch or what. I think it might be a 1/4 inch. Okay, I'll be right back again. I'll be right back again. Jeez, I forgot how many tools I was gonna really need for this. Don't worry, I'll get through the video. Unless I can find... you know what, I'll just go buy one out of my dad's truck.